Hi there, Cindy here. I wanted to talk to you some more about FEMA, and we already talked about how homeowners and renters can go to the FEMA offices for rebuilding their homes or getting the things they need to survive in the days to come. But there's another side to FEMA, and that's for the people who are going to do the rebuilding and the cleanup after a disaster. And I've talked to a lot of contractors, and it seems that it's quite a process to register with the government. And I can understand their resistance to do that, but if I can offer like a little bit of information that might make it a little less scary or bureaucratic. There are agencies out there that do charge a fee that help contractors and subcontractors sign up for, well, it's for FEMA, but it's for government contracts, and it's, quite a process to register, and you have to advertise yourself by, getting in front of them. And there is an agency that's been around longer than the other agencies. It's, let's see if I don't butcher this, U.S. Federal Contractors Registration, USFCR. Okay, anyway, and they do charge about $600, but they do the registering for you. They get you've got to get these numbers and registration numbers, and if you don't, dot all the I's, cross all the T's, then it delays it or they kick out the application. So it's like hiring a CPA to do your taxes. I don't do my taxes. I wouldn't even try. So, and then they help you. They, I think, give you a website, and they help you get the bids for, the government contracts and things like that. So, it's really helpful if people are getting these contracts so we can get on with the rebuilding. And there's also for the subcontractors. They're probably working for contractors that may have FEMA contracts or not, and they're waiting to be paid because the government is slow to pay, 30, 60, 90, maybe more days than that. And it's why I developed a company to help people get that money when they've already provided a service or goods to other companies and they're waiting on that payment. And so that's something I can help with, but I wanted to at least get you guys going in getting signed up. So for the future, I'll be talking to you more about my company, Jackson Business Capital, and my service is always free, so I'm not selling you anything, but we're all in this together. So just that little note about the other side of FEMA. Okay, guys, hang in there.